Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do my go-to look. So basically the look that I do every time I actually go out. If it is, I mean, you know, it is a bit more intense, but I don't always do that. Anyway, let's just get started. First thing I always use, the Look Good Feel Better brush. It's called Angled Blending Brush, and I use Triple Fudge from the Chocolate Bar palette. It's just a very dark brown shade. So I hope you can see it like this. Now just put it into my crease and above and just blend. Now, like I said, it is a very intense brown color, as you can see here, but on the eyelid it just doesn't look anything like it, which is why I'm not sure if I should keep this color. Like, it is nice, but you have to go in so many times to just get like kind of close to the pigmentation that it is in the pan. And yeah, this is a bit annoying, to be honest. But, you know, you can always build it up, make it work. It's still not as intense as it is in the pan. I think it looks better on camera, to be honest. So like this. And the other side as well, of course. Like, I don't even tap it off. And it's not that intense. Try to get this as even as possible. I guess like this. Then I will use Take You For Granted, which is the shade here, and yes, I have a nice dip going on, which makes me very happy. That is by The Balm, obviously. I just put that on the rest of my lid, blending it in with the brown gray shade. Right, just like this. Other side. Oh, such a beautiful shade. Now go back in with the brown just to make sure everything is blended in. Okay. Then I use a, if I can find it. And I use this shade over here, just a blending shade by, I think, Catrice. It could also be, no, I think it's Catrice. Just a normal blending shade, and I just blend in my shadow like this. The other side. Then I do my brows very quickly. Someone asked me what I use in my brows, and this is Oak by Makeup Revolution. So just filling them in. Never do anything crazy, I just fill them in and then just brush them through because I'm lazy. Okay, hold on. That is my sign that I have to post something on Instagram. And while I'm posting on Instagram, I will also remove the fallout that I have. Which is not that much, to be honest. I just realized that my Instagram or my account has got rid of the likes as well, which I hate it. Just use concealer. This is the Camouflage Plus. No, Camouflage Plus Concealer by Essence in Light Neutral. Just a tiny bit. Like, I was one, okay, I didn't hear a lot because my nose is red. I always used so much concealer until I realized, okay, maybe that's not even helping, because it always creased on my under eye and it didn't really look good. And also, this is very, I don't want to say, it's not a high coverage, but you know, it is there. So the less, the better. And the outside as well. Okay. And yes, always use my fingers. Like, I tried to put concealer on with the brush, I tried it with a beauty blender, I tried it with I don't even know how many other things, and finger still works best. I use a bit of powder. This is a loose powder, which I'm not really a fan of. By Bella Priya, it's the banana powder, I think. And given the fact that this concealer is so bright and light, a bit too light for my skin tone, I just use this, and it tones it down a little. Okay, not too much powder either, because I don't want to look kicky. What I also usually do is I put some sunscreen on. And before I do my mascara, I just use a bit of contour powder, just applying that. Like this. Okay, other side. This is the sleek contouring and face palette in the light. Got this in the Look Fantastic box and I love it. Like I just use it every day basically. Mascara by Deuce. God, I have hair somewhere. Oh my god, okay. What I also do is I go back in with what's called Triple Fudge. I'll just go on my lower lash line here. Just a little bit. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see this. It makes a little bit of a difference. Not too much. Okay. And then mascara on my lower lashes. Blush by Essence. Peach Me Up. Okay, and then I go in with, again, my chocolate palette. This is Champagne Truffle. It's a holiday shade, so is it here in my inner corner? Here? And mascara is flicking already, oh my god. On my nose. Like, I know I said in a video, 2 videos before, I don't know, that I'm actually trying to contour my nose, but I still suck at it, so I did not put it on right now, because it just looks horrible. And then I use highlighter. This is the Laura Geller highlighter. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, Gilded Honey. And I like it, but also don't. Because, you know, it's actually, like, swirled. And in order to actually use this and get, like, the full product, you have to basically get it on, like, you have to get it even, you know, because otherwise it just gets stuck in all the crevices and it doesn't look good. I have it down quite a lot now, so it's working, but I had a hard time with this. And last but not least, I use the Skin Chemist's Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. And I put that on. Just a clear gloss and the plumping effect. So, this is it. This is my go-to look. Of course, it is a bit messy now because I just, you know, my mascara is already flicking down. But, yeah. Very easy, very quick, usually. See, I'm actually getting better blending. I'm trying really hard. Lips like this. Nothing too crazy. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next video.